We're going to jump right in. So this is the opener from yesterday. We're a day behind because my fault, not your fault, my fault. So today's opener, the date says 3/11, but in actuality, it's really the 12th. So it says determine the percent change for each of the following. If necessary, we're going to round to the 10th of a percent. So when we're doing percent change, the first thing that we have to identify is what? I have to identify my old number and my new number. So what's my old number, my original number for number one here? 12. And what's my new number going to be? 32. Now, with my old number and my new number, I'm going to have a formula that I'm going to substitute these for. Who remembers what my formula is? Deja, go ahead. Triangle. So percent change equals... No. Tell me the formula first. Like, percent change equals blank minus blank over blank times...
32.
No.
Wait, what do you mean?
Nope. No, you're doing it right. You're doing it right. I want you to tell me what the formula is. I don't want you to substitute the numbers yet. I want you to tell me what the formula is.
So, like, percent change equals 12?
Nope. AJ, help me out. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. New minus old divided by what? No. Old times 100 what? There we go. So then as Deja was saying, she went ahead and was starting to substitute the numbers for me. So she went ahead and said the number that we're going to substitute for new is 32. Minus what do I substitute for old? 12. Divided by my old number? Times 100%. Good. Now remember, when you guys type this into your calculator, you have to hit equal after each step. So 32 minus 12 equals. Divided by 12 equals times 100. When you type that into your calculator, what do you get? So everybody, it's math class, should have their calculator out. So when you calculate that, not 16, but there. So you're going to get 166.6666 repeating, right?
Oh, the devil.
And we are going to round. What place value are we going to round to? Not the hundreds. What's it say? The tenths. So how many places past the decimal is the tenth spot? 1. So everything else behind here I'm not going to need. But I'm going to use the number directly behind that 6, the 10th spot, to determine if I round this number here up or not. So is this number 5 or greater? Yes. So as Alex was saying, I'm going to go up. So my answer is going to be 166.7. I'm missing 3 things. Is it a percent increase or decrease? Increase. Okay. Percent sign and box. Perfect. Good job, guys. So this is what you guys actually took your quiz over on Friday. And when I graded them, for the most part, it looks like you guys did a pretty good job. All right, number 2. So what's my old number here, David? And my new number? 12. So every time I write my formula, I'm going to write percent change equals. And then what do I substitute for my new? Jaden, what's my new number? Sorry, you just took a bite when I asked you. So what's my new number? What's my new number? 12 minus my old number divided by times 100 what? Perfect. Okay. All right, go ahead and calculate that for me.
Is negative 62.5.
Negative 62.5 exact? You sure? Y'all agree? Double check it. I don't have a calculator. Divide by. You didn't, I don't think you typed in your 2. I think you just typed in your 3. Did anybody else type it in? All right. What am I missing?
You're about to.
Yeah, my box. So you guys did a nice job identifying that you need to have a percent sign in there. And also it's going to be a negative. So when we went from 32 to 12, it means it's going to be a percent decrease. The percent change is going to be a decrease. Okay, my last one here. Before I even answer it, is my percent change going to be an increase or a decrease?
Increase.
Increase, yeah. So Alex, what's my new number?
Your new number is
1,000. The first number or the second number? Yeah, that's my new number. And my old one is the 1,124. Okay, I might run out of room here, so I'm going to start with percent change.
Start with the second one.
Okay.
You put that all in new if you're going to do that.
So yep, so I start with my second number because I want to start with my new number minus.
Minus the old number and the old number down. Fine.
Yeah, where I kept messing up the first time. Times
100%.
Okay. So when we type that into our calculator,
It's 42.08. 1850.
42.08, 1850,
Yeah. 53.
like that. Okay. So our directions say we're going to round it to the nearest tenth. So what number here is in my tenth spot?
0.
The 0.
It's gonna go to a 1 for the 8.
Good, because that 8 is going to round that 0 to a 1. So my final answer is 0.1. I heard the percent. Missing 2 things. The box it and what'd you say, Daisha? Plus. Sorry, guys, I didn't mean to write it. I thought I was writing it up high enough. I'll leave it up there for just a second. So this is just a quick review of percent change. It's what we worked on last week. Today we're going to go ahead and move on to solving proportions.